Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. Today I'm going to try a new recipe, oatmeal and peanut butter cookies together. I wanted to do peanut butter cookies and my husband wanted me to do oatmeal cookies, so I says, well, let's see if we can do a thing where we can both get what we want. So I found the recipe on the internet. It will be my first time doing this, and I do have my notes close by. I will get started. I need 1/2 cup of margarine. It's about 1/2 cup. It's a bit too much. One-half cup of brown sugar. I need 1/3 cup of white sugar. Just gonna get this stirred up. I gotta break the brown sugar. I will need 1 egg. One-half cup of peanut butter. It's a bit much, about 1/2 cup. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir this all up. So my wet mixture is done. I will now get my dry mixture ready. I will put the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, 3/4 cup of flour. Three-quarter teaspoon of baking soda. I forgot to get my teaspoon ready. It's about 3/4. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1 1/4 cup of oatmeal. It's my 1 1/4 cup. That is my 3/4 cup. That's my 1 cup. 1 cup I need. That's better. Kind of thought it looked a bit small. I mix this one up. I will put it in here nice and slowly. I'm looking forward to see what this will taste like. It's the first time I will do oatmeal and peanut butter cookies. But both of us, my husband and I, will be pleased. I got parchment paper over a cookie sheet. I will drop them on about a spoonful. I will now put them in the oven from 10 to 12 minutes. I set my timer to 12 minutes. I will be back. There is a little over 6 minutes left for the cooking. Okay, 12 minutes is up. I will get my cookies out of the oven. This is what they look like. So when they cool off, I will be back to taste them. They're still warm a bit. Texture. I like a soft cookie, but if you like your cookie hard, you can leave it in the oven for a couple of minutes more. They are good. I like them. I can taste the peanut butter, and my husband will taste his oatmeal. So, I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. And until next time, you all take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.